Tubaistí, how are you and you Aaron Gerardine show? So Inniu is on Fihu Law Javi Baltana Gavila is Sveha. Sorry, I'm wrong, it's on Thenu Law is Sveha. The 21st. Yesterday was the 20th, but Inniu is on Thenu Law is Sveha Javi Baltana. Now Inniu, Chamid Gaji Lahnach Ked Oxygen, 110 in our Namur Lum. Okay, and there we have a Cómhrá. And again, it's about Tubaistí Nádúrtha, which is natural disasters, which we learned about yesterday. And the Cómhrá is Idir Sean agus an Agalor. So Birch, two people. Agalor is an interviewer. Cosul Ryan Turbiddy, no Graham Norton, somebody like that. Now, before we begin, so we can see there the Shomoranga there in the Shomoranga there. But before we begin, let's see what new words or phrases we have to look out for. Sachora Shaw in this Cómhrá. So Conasavine on Amshire and Erin. So how is the Amshire and Erin? How is it? And it's Amshire Láthruch, present tense because it ends in 2n. Ends, it happens gach law, so it's Amshire Láthruch. An mian an Amshire mar agéine na sna séisiúr fad. An mian is it the same every season? Sna séisiúr fad. So again, our answer is going to be bean or niveen. And what lat? Would you like dul achoni to go and live in Ainche ella? Would you like to go and live anywhere else? And we have veach. It would be, so that's a new tense. Mo canilach, the conditional. And we're not going to worry about that too much, but you'll see more of that Sufjanskal in secondary school. Now, if you look at the busky bonds area, the pink boxes, I think we should know all those words. Chirim is dry. Bug might be new one actually. Bug can mean soft, but it can also mean mild. The weather isn't too hot, isn't too cold. It's mild, pleasant. Greenver is easy. Kyover. Jacker ekol, hard to see. Marthasha kyover, it's foggy. Egker bosh, the egker schnachte. Nias cho, nias fura. Anytime you see nias, it means ends in er, so it's hotter or colder. Now, fekagi erna buski arashta, the orange boxes. Irit an givri, irit an taurig, irit an for, irit an arig. What do you think irit means? Irit an. Rit means to run, but here it means irit an means during the givri, during the souri, during the for, during the ari, during summer, winter, all those. Okay, an vlian or fad, the whole year. Biognach gach law, nearly every day. Jigana, these are nice words now, usually. Gomininic, often. Oam gaham, from time to time. Anishis arish, now and again. Urantha, sometimes. And gahanav is seldom. They're important words there. Jigana is usually. Gomininic is often. These are link words, connectives. Oam gaham, from time to time. Anishis arish, now and again. Urantha, sometimes. And gahanav is seldom or rarely. Okay. And fakigi are na buski glass, and I'm sure you can tell me what all those are. Yeah, Nachirha, the countries, and you should know all those except maybe on India is easy. Canada. Nastachenta is America, the United States of America. Now, okay, let's listen to the Cómhrá Idir Sean agus an Agalar. Let's go.
Conasavine an Aimshire in Erin. Been an Aimshire bug in Erin. Ach been jig stella boshi gomininic.
So being bug, it's mild, it is. It doesn't get too hot, doesn't get too cold. But being it is extalu boshti, lashing rain gomininic, and don't we know that? You can sing that, Shawnee boy. You can sing that.
Being scamil sa spare, bigna gach law, agus is anna vavinche tiram.
So being scamal sa spare, bigna gach law, there's clouds in the sky almost every day, nearly every day, and it's anav, it's seldom or it's rare, a vinche tiram, that it's dry. Sean, you're talking sense here, man.
An mian an Aimshire mar an gaina, sna séisiúr fad.
Is it the same every season?
Nuvian. Been sé for ire an hifri, agus nus cho ire an tauri.
Yeah, so being for, it's cold ire an givri during the winter, agus nias cho, hotter ire an taurig, hotter sasaura in the summer.
An mian ein Tubaistí Nádúrtha ann in Erin.
So nice question. Any natural disasters in Erin, and what do you think his answer would be now? Call the captain shiv. Ein Tubaistí Nádúrtha ann in Erin.
Orintha been sturmacha agin ire an hifri, ach sinné.
So sometimes being storms on ire an givri, but sinné, that's it. If you think of Sturm Emma, what are the other ones? Ophelia. We've had a lot over the last few years, so stir more, but that's it. They're the main natural disasters. No In Lane Crit Talon, there's no earthquakes, or Crahana Talon, there's no hurricane, there are no Dochan Farisha wildfires, there are no tsunamis. Okay, so Sturmica. Shine.
Bhí cúpla sir mór gona nuri, an chud is módíh in Iarthar na hÉireann.
Oh, that's nice. Vi cúpla sturm. We had a couple of storms. A neri means an vlin shakacha last year. And quidjus mo, most of them in Iarthar na hÉireann, unfortunately for us. In Iarthar na hÉireann in the west of Ireland. And we're thinking about Storm Emma, agus, all those, okay? Iarthar na hÉireann. Iarthar. Think of ear is west. Iarthar is east. But Iarthar, think of your ear is towards Galway. Gallup.
Wahla dul choni in ein tír ella.
Would you like to live in any other country?
Bheith an Spáin nó an ranca jazz. Mar bíonn an aimsir che agus tírim an sin.
Veach, so Spawn agus rank, veach sé go jazz. It would be, remember on Mo Canilach. Mar being an Amshire Chet agus Chirim. Okay? The Amshire is Chet agus Chirim.
Agus taobh wit in Europe.
Outside Europe, Tave and Wit in Europe, outside of Europe.
Bavralam and surfás in Austral.
He's a surfer dude, Bavralam. I would love on Surfalls and Austral. Surfer dude, Johnny.
Ach orintha bíonn dótáin furise an.
Sometimes they get Dochan Farisha on.
Agus thula mé go dawan alla ómhóra acu an sin. Beag an seans.
So hula me, Amshire Kache, Brihar na Vrilta. Hula me, remember, I heard, go will, Dawan ala Ulvora. Okay, Dawan ala, you know what that is, creepy crawly. Octopus, 8 legs, spider. Okay, Ulvora is huge. Ulvora, remember, Ulvarga is supermarket. Ulsquel is university. So Ul means huge. Akon Shin. And then he's like, Biog an chance. What do you think that means? Fat chance I'd go there if there's down Ulvora. Okay, so he liked the surfing, but you can't have it all, Shawnee. You can't have it all. Okay, now, Fakey, okay, Chegi Guji Lahanok Kedogs Jet. And Fakey are Bun and Lahanok. Okay, so Conasavine and Amshire Nairn. How is the Amshire Nairn? So they give us Veen or Neveen. It is or it is not. Then Savaska Bondarga and the pink box. Okay, you need to describe what the weather is like, and then Savaska Gurma in the blue box. It's just the time connectives or when it is like that. So for instance, Bean she fluch gach or gomininic. It is wet regularly. It's a lovely one to start with. Now another one. What other one could you have? Bean she gwefer urintha. So sometimes it's windy. So you've loads of options here. I could say ni vienche. Ni vienche che. It is not hot. Irit ungivry during the winter. Nice one. Another one I could say ni vienche egker schnakta. Irit an taurig. It's not snowing during the summer. I could say being scammels to spare. Gomininic. There's clouds in the sky. Gomininic. Being she kyower. It is foggy. Anishis arish or am gaham now and then. Again, it's not too often. Being she for, I might say irit an givri during the winter. Being she tirum. Irit an or during the autumn. The fall, as they say in the States. Being she greenwer, it is sunny. Urintha, sometimes. Wouldn't say that every day. Okay, what else could we say? Being she bug, okay, it is mild. Biognach got law. It's never too hot or too cold in Ireland, so nearly every day Biognach got law. Being sturmica on, there are sturms on Gahanov, seldom or rarely. Okay, that's just samples. There's no right or wrong answer here. But what I want, and I want you to give me 6, and 6 different ones. Don't use bean chef, luck, Dominic, and lazy bones. Try a different one. There are tens and almost 100 options you could go from there, I'd say. So there's loads of options, and I want she aberti 6 sentences bunahe Aaron Bisisha. Is that correct, Glor? Any questions about anything, guys, just reach out to me on Class Dojo or the 6classfreeness@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you within the day. Okay, within the hour probably. So best of luck with it. Banagi Tanavas, enjoy agus slán live. Okay, have a great day. Slán.